So if you haven't already done it, please subscribe to our channel. Click the little bell icon. If you like these videos, give us a thumbs up. That way we can understand that everybody's enjoying these videos that we're posting and that I'm doing. I do them to help provide information. So one of the things I want to talk about today is something I've actually come across a couple different clients or prospects, however you want to call them. They're dealing with the Macola on-prem product. And they're saying, hey, I'm dealing with Macola. I want to go about and I would love to get EDI set up and save some money because the options that I'm using right now, they're all based on document volume or character usage, that kind of stuff. And I'm going, hey, well, that's cool and all. Let's do that. Again, me and my team, we don't consider ourselves as subject matter experts when it comes to any ERP, WMS, TMS system. Do we know a lot of them? Yes. Do we want to be the person that's setting up how your claims are flowing and all those type of things and dictating you how you need to do it inside of your particular system? No. What we found, though, with the Macola on-prem software is usually you'll need something to help interface, to help pull out that data or populate that data into Macola so that it's using those business rules that are inside of the Macola system instead of going straight to the database that's behind the scenes. You use an add-on or an integration partner to do that. So there's many different ones that are out there. There's a company that we've run across that seems to have a very good rep, been doing it for a long time. That's Leahy Consulting. That's Leahy Consulting. They've been dealing with the Macola product for 30 years. But if you use their add-on, their Pulse dashboard add-on for Macola, that enables you to get the data out of Macola and into Macola using those type of business rules. So you can extract that data, put it into an XML format. We can then take that XML format, we can convert it into actual EDI, ANSI X12, or Edifact, or Tradecoms, or whatever you might need it to be conformed into. But you have that add-on to pull the data, to populate the data inside of that Macola on-prem system. So this is just a piece of advice. If you're out there and you're searching and you're going, hey, how do I get data in and out of the Macola on-prem product without having to build it myself, be a software developer, interact and figure out the whole databases behind it and do all of those things? Find an add-on. Find a company that's been doing it for a long time. Maybe they're not focused on EDI, but they are focused on that particular product of getting the data in and out for other uses, maybe web commerce. Who knows? But we can then leverage that at my team to have that data, whether it be a CSV file, XML, JSON, whatever it is, a file format, and we can get it into EDI. We can get it into the ANSI X12. We can get it into Tradecoms. We can get it into the different values that it needs to be done. So anyways, that's my advice for you.